So we are creating a pattern to go with Australia's on the Wallaby, and here is how you're going to do that. We know an ostinato is a repeated musical pattern. This picture is up on a slide for you. It should be on the next slide. And this slide is called Draw It. And you should be able to draw a rhythm in these 4 measures. Now, to make it a little bit easier on you, instead of circles that you have to color in, we have X's. Those are totally acceptable when you are talking about 1-beat notes that are usually colored in to write a pattern with. So I could do like a ta. It's still like a quarter note. It just doesn't have a circle. TT. Remember, 2, oops, I made it too big. 1 TT is 1 beat. So I have to have both X's in one little space here, watch. Because it's still 1 beat, even though it's 2 sounds. Ooh, that was funky. There we go. If I want to do a tiki tiki, I have to do 4 little X's. And this is tricky to do. Then I have to do a line across the top and a second line across it. But they all go on this one line because this one space holder here is for 1 beat. Or I can do a rest. I can do a half rest. I'm sorry, a half note. I can do a half rest. I must leave the space next door empty because it's a 2-beat note. So if I have a half note, this one has to stay empty. There can be nothing there. Half rest, next to it, nothing can be. I cannot ever put a half note or a rest on the last beat because there's not enough room in the measure for 2 more beats, and there has to be room for a total of 4 beats. If you added up your rhythm, it should add up to 4. 1 beat plus 1 beat plus 1 beat plus 1 beat is 4. 2 beats plus 2 beats is 4. So you should have the opportunity. If something doesn't work, you can message me on Canvas and let me know. I will just answer you and say, okay, no problem. But do really try to make sure that it works. If not, we can figure out another way for you to get your credit for the assignment. You must do this in order to get full credit for our assignment this week. If you need any help, you can message me on Canvas and I can answer you almost at any time.